Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're bringing you an exciting tutorial on how to create a 30-day premium UDP request config file and set it up on the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app. With this setup, you'll enjoy secure web connections, fast network speeds, and unlimited browsing, all in just a few simple steps. If you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel. Let's dive in. First, let's create the 30-day premium UDP request config file. Open your web browser and type UDP Custom Community into the search bar. Hit enter and look for the official UDP Custom Community website in the search results. Click on the website. This is where we'll generate our premium config file. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, locate the menu button, usually found at the top corner of the screen. Click on it to open a list of options. From this menu, select 30 days UDP request config. After a short 10-second countdown, your 30-day UDP premium config file will be generated. Make sure to download the latest file by clicking on it and tapping the download button. Save it to your device's download folder. Now let's set up the config file on the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app. If you don't have the app installed, head to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type SocksIP Tunnel VPN and install the app. Once installed, open the app. On the homepage, tap the three dots in the upper right corner to bring up a drop-down menu. From the options, select Import, Export. Tap the Import button. This action will open your device's download folder. Locate the 30-day premium UDP request config file you downloaded earlier, select it, and confirm the import. Within a few seconds, the file will be successfully added to the app. With the config file imported, you're all set to connect. Simply tap the Start button on the app's homepage. Within moments, your VPN connection will be established, giving you secure and fast browsing capabilities using the premium config file. And there you have it. You've successfully created a 30-day premium UDP request config file and set it up on the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app. Now, enjoy your secure, high-speed connection with this easy-to-follow setup. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.